Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Disney with a full guide step by step clearly. Investing in Disney can be an exciting opportunity for potential growth. First, research Disney's financial health by reviewing their annual reports and earnings calls. Check key metrics like revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. Next, familiarize yourself with the business segments such as parks, media networks, and studio entertainment. Understand the impact of current market trends on Disney, including streaming and theme park developments. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a platform that fits your investment style, whether that be an app or traditional brokerage. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into it to prepare for your investment. Decide how much of your portfolio you'd like to allocate to Disney stock. Review Disney's recent stock performance to identify a good entry point. Consider whether you prefer buying shares outright or using options for a different investment strategy. Monitor the broader market for any potential influences on Disney's stock price. When you're ready, execute your buy order through your brokerage account. After purchasing, keep an eye on Disney's performance and industry news. Prepare to hold your investment for the long term to allow for potential appreciation. Regularly reassess your investment strategy as Disney continues to evolve. Stay informed about Disney's future projects and initiatives that may impact its growth. Engaging with financial news and analyst reports can provide valuable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.